Hi, boys and girls. This is me, Uncle Al, the sock puppet that Lily and the Whale designed. Yes, I am still alive, see? Well armed for you evil Democrats. What's wrong with the evil Democrats, Uncle Al? You're talking mini Uncle Al, you damn Democrat. Democrats are fun people. They sing and dance, and they have a good time. Didn't you watch the last debates? No. Well, I did, but CNN's so bad. The ratings stink. It's not all about the ratings, Uncle Al. You know, I'm uni. Yes, I do know you're a uni. I think you're Canadian. Go back to Hubble's. Gee, that's not a very nice comment, Uncle Al. Okay, enough comedy. Good grief. Anyway, folks, Uncle Alan's a little under the weather, so I'm taking over for right now, and we're going to discuss 4 EDC things that Uncle Alan always carried. Now, Uncle Alan carries, yes, a mint. Good. No, not really. That's because he has diabetes and doesn't like to get the sugar, though. Anyway, he always carries a Zippo. He always carries some kind of light. And he always carries a pocket knife. And because his voice is going, he carries a whistle. Yeah, I carry a whistle. Do you know what kind of weapon does Uncle Alan always carry? I think it's the knife. Nope. I carry the most dangerous kung fu weapon. Twine? Jute twine? Are you nuts? No, because I use it for other things, like making fires. Okay, tie things up. Bind things. There's a whole bunch of things I could do with these. I still think you're nuts. I'm going to go bother you. I'll be right back. No, no, no. You got to wait until we're finished. Okay, you have to say thank you to Corsair Trainer. Who? Corsair Trainer. Where the hell is that? That's Steve. Oh, Steve. Hi, Steve. Yeah, a lot of people who drive through the valley drive really fast, too. Okay, and this is for Prepared Norseman. Okay, Prepared Norseman. Wasteland Prepping. Wasteland Prepping. Prep for it. Prep for it. Now, how many items do we have here? We have 4 items, not counting the mint. No, I see 6. Throw that in there. There's the mint. Oh, gee, Uncle Al, that's not funny. The 6th item I always carry is this. I carry a handkerchief or bandana. Oh, you carry a banana? Bandana, handkerchief. A banana? I'm talking to myself. Good grief. No, a large handkerchief. A banana? I'm confused. Yeah, you would be. Oh, Lord. Let's give a big hand to Just-in-Time Prepping. Will, can you say that? Just-in-Time Prepping. Will Russell. Monday night? Do I look crazy? Yes, it's Will Russell on Monday night at 8 o'clock, I think. I don't know. I haven't got the time schedule yet. So we better check it out. Okay, and we want to say hello to our friend Michael Science. Who? I think your medication is acting overtime, Uncle Alan. You're talking to puppets again. I'll be right back. Damn Democrats. Hi, kids. It's Uni. I'm going to close this out. That's big thanks to Kayfabe. Hi, Kayfabe. And also Cheryl of, let's see, get my notes. Okay. And Cheryl Hirsch of DUI Fun. Can you get a good bigger shot than this? No.
No, 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 no.
I hate that button. Okay, kids. I'll catch you later. Bye.